going up there. That's the plan. It's like hot out, and so I was like, hey, let's go up to Idyllwild where it's nice and cool. And now we look up in the mountain and it looks like it's raining. And
107 out.
yeah, it's 107 out, and so we're like, let's go up to Idyllwild.
Sorry, it's 109. It just changed, and there's 40% chance
Okay,
of rain.
109 right now. So I'm like, let's go up to the mountain. We'll go and, you know, where it's nice and cool. So we're driving, and there's rain and lightning.
It probably will be cooler though, because the water usually breaks some of the humor.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going up there. We'll see how this goes. I wasn't expecting that. So this is why we came up. Easy cream.
I got vanilla bean.
What'd you get?
Strawberry. Same thing. Mint.
And yeah, even though it's raining,
Ice cream is the best when it's raining.
it is super nice out right now. Actually, it's, I don't know, still it's not cold or anything, so we're good. So that was delicious. What do you think? Was that worth the drive up here? Nathan never cares. Noah's still eating. Yeah, good. All right, so it's raining. I think we're gonna try to walk around. We'll see. I don't know. If it's raining, I'm not bringing you. Sorry, I can't afford. Yeah. All right, so we ended up just walking around Idyllwild. I didn't bring the camera because yeah, we're just spending time walking around, and it was kind of rainy. So, but yeah, I think we're done. We're just gonna go back down, and I don't know where we're going for the day, but that might be the end of today. That might not be the end of the day. I don't know. We'll see. We will see.
You just licked my boob.
There's the lizard on you. Oh, and he's dropping
Apples.
I think I go get it.
Oh.
Oh, you got it! I'm sorry, chewing sunflower seeds, but I'm waiting for the wifey because she's making salsa in a food processor.
That's the easy way to do it.
You always come over during this time.
During onion time? Anyways, she's making salsa. Tonight we're gonna make some steaks and some pasta. That smells absolutely amazing. The fresh zestiness of it. Oh, I can't wait.
I was trying to put kale in the bowl and he's standing over the apple.
He's like, don't take my apples. Good times. Time to taste test this salsa. Chips. All right, you get one too. Hold on.
I know, I'm adjusting the
You ready?
for maximum bite coverage.
Okay, all right. Ready? Let's go. Oh, that's so good. That's from my beard. You know what this reminds me of is ceviche. That's almost exactly how you make ceviche. Good job, babe, with the lime. Alright guys, so it's been a pretty eventful day. We went, you know, first day of vacation, not bad. We went up to Idyllwild, got ice cream, came home, woke up late, relaxed. I made some steaks and pasta for dinner, and it's like about to be 10 o'clock and it's still like 90 degrees out. So we're going swimming. We're going for a swim. It's perfect weather for it. And yeah, so we'll see what tomorrow has. Be back. Alright guys, well, it's like been a few days since the last time I recorded, and we really haven't done anything. We've just been hanging around the house, and the weekend we just chilled. And now it's Tuesday, because I was gonna go ride Monday, and I ended up not doing it. But today we're gonna do a couple things. One, we're gonna take a look at Spike. He's gotta take a bath. I just made him a vet appointment, which I've never done. We haven't really taken him. So he's got his first vet appointment on Friday, which we'll probably take you to, but that'll be in another video. But today, I'll show you his setup and his whole thing, and then we're gonna give him a bath, and then I gotta go change the oil before it gets too hot outside. So that's the plan. Yeah. So this is Spike. Spike's setup right here. This is his house. He's kind of getting a little big for it, but you know, right now he's okay. And this one always gets jealous. Anytime you come over here and try to chill with Spike, he gets super jealous. So anyways, Spike's chilling, as you can see. He needs his nails trimmed. Yeah, he needs his nails trimmed. So that's when we're taking him to the vet and just do a general checkup. But check this out. So this is his setup. These are crickets. There's about 500 crickets in here. And then, oh my God, they've gotten so big. Holy shit. These were not this big. We're gonna have to start feeding him these pretty quickly. But these are his worms. I'll probably give him one right now. But holy crap. These were not that big when we got them a couple days ago. So I think we need to start feeding him some. I'll feed him some right now before his bath. Dude, these guys don't even... Oh, they're strong. That was a worm he just ate. Might give him one more.
Look at his tail.
So normally those are like special treats, but since they're getting so big, I just fed it to him. And normally if you go to like a pet store, those worms are like 10 bucks, maybe $7 for one. And then the crickets are expensive, but we order online from a website called like Rainbow Mealworms or something like that, and you can get it pretty cheap there. So if you guys have pets and you guys are looking for a way to deal that, Rainbow Mealworms. All right, well, it's time to get Spike his bath. So one of the reasons we give him a bath is so he doesn't poop in his house. So as a reptile, they're cold-blooded, right? So of course, the heat lamp helps them poop, and that's why you have a heat lamp in there. Plus, the other one is a UVB bulb to give him the right kind of lighting or whatever that he needs, like the sun. But if we give him a bath every day, he'll poop here instead of pooping in his house, which his house is much more difficult to clean. So I'm just making sure it's like warm room temperature, and then we normally just put this here. Make sure it's nice, warm, but not too hot. And then we'll throw him in here, let him swim. And it takes him a minute to poop, and he usually won't poop until he starts like swimming. He'll start trying to swim around, and then he'll poop.
I like had him in my hand and then he hopped away. And then I got him in my hand and he hopped away again.
So this is Spike taking a bath. Now he doesn't really enjoy it all that often, but sometimes he does. So we'll see. We'll see what he does today. Let's move. There you go. We'll give him a little splash. Sometimes I have to put more water in it so that he
Is your camera waterproof?
It's okay, yeah. Sometimes I'll have to put a little bit more water in it so that
Oh, he got it on the one.
sometimes we'll have to add a little bit more water so that he actually goes poop, because he won't, unless he's swimming, he usually doesn't poop. So I'm gonna go ahead and censor the poop out. I won't show you guys. Oh, he farted.
Oh, he's starting to poop.
Right, so now it's time for him to get some outside time, get some real sun. And this is his little outside playpen that we put him in. This is his little outside playpen where we put him so he gets some real sun. Yeah, kind of cool. All right, dogs, inside. Look at this, man. It's like a monsoon out here. It's 106 degrees out right now, guys. And I don't know if you can hear the thunder. It looks clear over there, but over here it's pissing rain. Look at this. My wife was like, oh, we should cover the table. And I was like, no, it's cool. It's not coming underneath. No, it's definitely coming underneath now. I should have covered it. I'm kind of impressed with the amount of rain that we're getting right now, but it's still really, really hot out. So this is crazy. Are you cold? She's over here shivering.
It's not that cold.
Dude, I can't even hear. It's so loud. Holy crap. That is insane. That's crazy. I I think we have a problem here. That is not supposed to do that. That is a waterfall. Holy crap, dude. Oh, look at the size of that.
I ate a pizza.
Eat it. You won't eat it. Eat it. She just did that. She just ate it. I found a spot I need to fix. That's not holding up. And I don't know if you can tell, it's crazy over there. Thank you, Kenny. Thank you, Kenny, for having this here. And we had to rescue it so it didn't fly across the freaking neighborhood. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? This is gonna be by far one of the most random videos that I've ever made on this channel, but here it is. It is what it is, right? So if you've enjoyed the video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because it definitely helps out the channel, and also lets you know when I put out new content. I'm really struggling. I'm not struggling, but I'm really trying to put out a lot more content and different types of content. Anyways, we're in the garage because I was about to change the oil on the bike, yeah. And looking at that, I was checking when the last time I changed the oil and then how many miles I got. So I got about 2,724 miles. And I'm like, do I really need to change the oil? Because I don't really feel like doing it. And I think I can get away with a little bit more. But the question is for you guys, like how many miles do you guys typically change your oil? So I'm usually about 3,000 to maybe 4,000 miles in between oil changes. Sometimes, you know, maybe I'll stretch it to 5, but usually not. It's usually about 3,000 to 4,000 miles. So I've definitely been riding it a bit. Went on that 1K 1,000 mile ride, right, with it, and I haven't been riding it as much as I normally do. So maybe that's why the miles aren't as high as I'm used to. And I'm used to changing the oil like almost every month, almost every month, and that's just because my commute is about 200 miles a day, right? So like I was coming out here, I'm like, man, that's really overdue. And then I take a look and I'm like, okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's not overdue. I feel like I can wait a little bit, and it's already hot and like really hot and super bright, and I was kind of already like, oh, I don't really want to do it, but I'm gonna come out. So I'm glad I checked when the last time I did it. I actually have like a little whiteboard that I asked GhostNinja to write the miles when I did it last, and so I have the exact info. But out of curiosity, what do you guys think? What is your preferred oil change miles on your motorcycle before you go and change the oil? So I was totally gonna do it, and I was gonna put it on video and show you that I can change my own oil for those of you haters out there that I know you're out there. But since I don't need to, I'm not going to. Yeah. With that said, though, I think I'm gonna end the video. It's been an interesting week. We, you know, kind of went up to Idyllwild. We had rain. We went swimming, and it's just been kind of, you know, a staycation. We haven't really gone and done too much. I'm probably gonna try to go riding today. I don't know. Maybe go for a quick spin. Go out, take it out, and yeah, and see where it goes. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying the videos. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying this kind of format, where Thursdays are kind of like a montage of video of you know, the week, maybe. That's kind of what I did this week, you know, just a little bit here and there throughout the day. It's already Wednesday, man. I mean, I started this video on Friday. This vacation is going by way too quick, man. I'm like, I was just talking to my kids started school. They're inside right now doing online school. So that's an interesting thing, you know, that's happening. Obviously, if you have kids, you guys probably know what I'm talking about. And so they got laptops and books, and they're inside doing school in the house, which is kind of interesting. It's kind of cool because they finish and like they have questions about homework and stuff, and so we can get right on it, and I've been able to help them. And me working from home has also been cool because I'm here when they need help with that stuff, and that's been interesting. So maybe we'll do a video just talking about working from home, you know, next time, because it's, you know, it's been going on 4, almost 5 months that I've just been working from home. I haven't gone to the office, and that's a huge change to my lifestyle and things like that. So I mean, I'm fortunate that I still have a job and I'm getting paid to do it. So but I feel like I'm rambling. So with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and until next time, I want you guys have a fantastic day.